Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of lanyards with a special focus on the best glitter lanyards for ID badges available. Lanyards for ID badges: beaded wooden natural stone lanyard for keys, eyeglass holder lanyard for eyeglasses, chains for women. Material: premium natural wooden and gemstone beads, stainless steel lobster clasp clips. Features: colors won't fade, durable and sturdy, perfect length of 34 inches, versatile for multiple uses. Usage: ideal for holding ID badges, keys, eyeglasses, and as a fashionable accessory. Premium material: made of high-quality natural beads and stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Versatile use: can be used for ID badges, keys, eyeglasses, and as a fashion accessory. Perfect length: the 34-inch length provides convenience and easy access to various activities. Stylish and elegant: the beaded design adds a touch of sophistication to your everyday look. Satisfaction guarantee: C&L accessories are dedicated to customer satisfaction, offering full money back or replacement if needed. Highlight the unique features of the product compared to similar items in the market. Emphasize the durability, style, and versatility of the glitter lanyard. Demonstrate how to attach ID badges, keys, and eyeglasses to the lanyard. Show different ways to wear the lanyard, such as a necklace or eyeglass chain. Share positive feedback from customers who have used the product. Emphasize the satisfaction and compliments received from users. In conclusion, the lanyards for ID badges by C&L accessories are the best glitter lanyards for ID badges available in the market. With their premium material, versatile use, and stylish design, they are a must-have accessory for anyone looking for both functionality and fashion. Don't miss out on adding this exquisite lanyard to your collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!